morning and namaste. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Monday. As usual, Monday is a hustle day for everyone, including us. Let's see what's the hustle all about. Right now it's currently school time, so that's the hustle for us. And time to have a breakfast. Bye. Time to watch a new game. Next match is going on right now. So just started. A little bit late because I just came out, got home and now for the when you have child at home and you can't watch TV and especially football, you watch this way. No option, just one match. Maybe next match I'm going to see it on the TV. Can't do anything. No, हे कसलं hairstyle आहे रे तुझे?
Hey boy. आणि माझे clip.
Clip तुझे
This is from Aarti's kitchen shop.
What is that? This was.
I want to boy.
I'll give you. First tell me what is this hair that you have done?
My Haji shop.
Aji shop. Aji तुझे शॉपातल्यान कॅश पडत बाबू. Time for match 2 right now.